G'day guys, Tim Guest here. Look, the Perth property market has had a positive start to May, so I wanted to jump on and do a quick video to keep you guys up to date and informed with all the facts. Of course, please remember to like, comment and share this video, and if it's your first time tuning in, don't forget to follow or subscribe wherever you're seeing this. So, Rewa.com data for the first few days of May is looking positive despite a record low in April which felt the negative impacts of COVID-19. So only 11 days into May and the number of transactions for property being sold already exceeds the total number for April 2020 by 2%. So we're 2% up on last month already. In particular, house sales are already 9% higher. Now, this is certainly good news for the sales market as sellers can see that buyers have confidence to enter into contracts. Now, in terms of leasing, the number of new leases for May also exceeds the total number of leases in April by 12% already, continuing to show strong demand. Now, combined with a continuing decline in the number of properties available for lease, this data can give landlords certainty they'll not be expecting any decrease in rents soon. Guys, that's it from me today. Just a quick one. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and don't forget to follow or subscribe wherever you're seeing this. Also, don't forget our Just Ask Tim video series. If you want to submit a question or there's something you'd like me to discuss in more detail, there's a link in the post to do that. Apart from it, guys, have a great week. Have a great weekend, and I'll look forward to speaking to you next week. Thanks a lot. Bye.